Koenigsegg is building just 125 examples of the Jesko, and an example clad entirely in glossy carbon fiber with 24-karat gold accents has just left its factory. The Swedish car manufacturer unveiled the replacement to the Agera back in 2019, and it appears as though the person who ordered this example took inspiration from a particularly famous Agera RS. That Agera, known as Phoenix, was originally built for U.S. real estate mogul Manny Khashbin and bathed in exposed carbon fiber body panels with gold accents. In the case of this Jesko, every piece of the exterior is made from exposed carbon, complete with a clear coat that appears to have specks of gold within it. Various exterior accents have then been clad in real 24-karat gold leaf accents. This includes the front canards, the wing mirror arms, a central element on the front fascia, the aerodynamic flicks on the side skirts, and the rear wing end plates. Other gold elements include the various Koenigsegg badges and lines running along the roof. You'll also notice that this Jesko is the Attack variant. This version of the mid-engine hypercar is focused on track performance and, as such, has a suite of aggressive aerodynamic components designed to improve downforce. These include the aforementioned rear wing, the more dramatic front splitter, and the distinctive diffuser. Koenigsegg also sells the Jesko in Absolute guise, which is designed as the high-speed version, lacking the rear wing, and theoretically capable of hitting over 300 miles per hour. All versions of the Jesko are powered by the same 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 capable of producing 1,280 horsepower on pump gas or 1,600 horsepower on E85. Coupled with the engine is Koenigsegg's Trick 9-speed multi-clutch transmission driving the rear wheels.